It's coming along. I got the sidewalk starting to take shape. Got the curves in place in some areas. It should be done in the next few weeks. I'm guessing that this stretch right here is going to get redone as well. Yep. Oh, definitely. If you look back here, see you got it all tore up there too. So, from the trail all the way to, really I think it's going to go beyond the school. But I could be wrong. Coming along quite nicely, actually. I never thought they would ever put a roundabout in Maumee, but I guess the intersection was getting too dangerous and people weren't. You got 2 lanes coming in each direction and they both have to stop. And I guess that kind of just caused problems, but I'm not the traffic engineer. I couldn't tell you. Anyways, enjoy the video.